I'm a drummer. This area of my thumb to the middle of my palm,
Okay.
it's been hurting whenever I extend it back.
Okay.
And that's the only time it hurts. When I do this, it feels fine. But when I do that, I'll take my backpack off with my thumb. That's when it hurts.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
Ranging 4 to 5.
4 to 5, what kind of pain? Sharp.
It's sharp
Sharp pain right in here.
in here.
And you said you are a drummer, and that's because
Yeah.
you overdid it with drumming.
Yeah.
Overtrained. How long has this been going on?
About 4 or 5 months.
4 or 5 months. Have you had any treatment?
No.
Did you do anything to relieve it?
No. Sometimes massage myself.
Okay, but you still experience the pain.
Right.
Okay. The motion that caused the pain, so we can use that for testing before and after.
Can you use a backpack?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I will bring you backpack.
I'm a student, so whenever I take my backpack off, it hurts.
How much pain do you experience?
5. It's both hands.
Both hands, the same 5 out of 10? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna use that as a testing. I will work on, and you feel it's localized here.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have a sit here. Everything should not aggravate your symptoms, okay? Let me know if you feel any pain. Do you feel it in both? Here, is that painful?
A little bit.
And here.
Yeah.
Feel more scar tissue here. You feel this?
Yeah.
It's more forward. Okay. All right. So let me know how this cold. Is it painful?
No.
Anything to your wrist or your elbow? No. You hear that sound?
Yeah.
Can you see the redness in the camera? You can get a little bit closer and back. See the redness here, the scar tissue. And you
Definitely
back.
see that.
You can see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and back. So with the back, try the other side here. Can you tell the difference between the left and right? How the scar tissue is different.
The left is more.
Your pain was like 5 out of 10 when you're using the back. Yeah. So let me take this down and then we'll test it. Okay. Clean your hands. In the backpack. Move it around and tell me how this feels. Can you tell me the difference? 0 to 10.
The left one hurts less, but I still feel it.
We're in the joint itself. And here. Not only here, it's
Yeah.
okay. How much pain and where?
This one now, 2.
Where?
Definitely feels a lot looser.
Is that painful here when I'm done? Yeah.
No, that's fine.
It's okay. Let me know if it's too much. You hear that sound?
Yeah.
It's a lot of scar tissue. It's not painful.
No, no, it's fine.
You see that redness here?
That's a lot.
Yeah, a lot of scar tissue. Try it again here and tell me how this feels.
Maybe not even a 1.
You don't feel it here?
No.
Where it goes?
I don't know.
I'm gonna ask them. This is good. Let's do this. You've been having this issue for the last 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
We know if it's painful. Make sure it's not painful. You feel that?
Yeah.
You feel that? Yes.
A lot of scar tissue.
How was that? Any pain?
Maybe a 1, but right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Israel, you're gonna go from a good drummer to a great drummer.
Yeah, so give us some credit with that.
When you catch you on stage, shout out to Dr. Jacobs.
When I suddenly get more speed, where did this come from? Right here, I have 1.
Okay. How's that?
I don't feel anything. It feels good.
Okay, let's clean it up. Try.
The backpack.
Clean it up with both hands. Yeah. Okay, and I'll give you that backpack. Try it, and there's some in the back here.
Oh. Am I good now?
There you go. Try it and tell me how much from 0 to 10 because it was 5.
Maybe a 1.
Okay.
It said like 2, almost a 2, but it
Where
got
feel
down. Right here.
Front and the back? Okay,
Yeah.
this line left. You feel it right in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if it's too much. Working on a deep fossa. Is it painful?
No.
Okay, let's try the bag again.
This side is gone, and then this side,
Where?
same spot right here. The left hand feels amazing.
Yeah, awesome, beautiful. That's the goal, so you feel it's right in here, okay? Make sure it's not painful, okay?
Just a tiny bit.
Try it again. You still feel it or it's gone?
Oh, it's gone. Everything. I'm trying with the backpack now. Both sides feel the same.
What do you mean?
It's gone.
It's
Both
gone?
sides.
You can have a seat and tell me what you think about the ASTR treatment. How long? 5 minutes or something like that?
This video is 11 minutes.
Yeah. What do you think about the ASTR treatment, just what we did in a few minutes?
I felt improvement within the first time.
And you don't feel pain now?
Okay.
All right.
Dr. Jacobs,
Thank you.
the magician. Working wonders. Nice.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to astrinstitute.com.